And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show the unshift method. It can be used to add elements to an array, this time at the beginning. We've used push in the last tutorial to put it at the end. Same principle. Let me print out our array first. There you go, red to yellow. Now I use ARR, our array name .unshift. Then regular parentheses inside quotation marks, and here I add, for example, brown. And this will now be at the start of our array. You can add more than one element at a time, just separate them with a comma. Let me make that magenta. And you can see if I use AR.length, we now have 7 elements in the array, so the 5-1, red to yellow, plus brown and magenta. And this is how you can use the unshift method in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.